Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to introduce the Gosund Smart Power Strip. So this is a power strip that connects to your Wi-Fi, and then you can control the different components of it over Wi-Fi. So let me show you how it works and how to set it up. So over here is the specs, and here's the box. Got the manufacturer information and the specs, etc. So let's go ahead and start by plugging it in. So I'm just going to plug it into an outlet, and we're going to set it up. So to set it up, you need to download the Gosund app or the Smart Life app or the Tuya app. They're all really the same apps, just rebranded. They're all by Tuya. So to start, we hit the plus icon. I already have the Smart Life app installed. If you don't, you have to create an account when you start. So we're going to start by hitting the power strip button, and then you put in your Wi-Fi name and password, and then hit next after putting in the password. So to start, it tells you to reset the device. So technically, if you got this brand new, it should already be reset, but we'll just hit next, and let's show you how this works. So it basically looks for the device, and you just gotta wait. You heard that click over there? See, it's talking to each other. You just gotta wait. If it doesn't work, then we'll hold down that power button and reset it like it told us to. But nope, you see, there it is. WP9 device added successfully. And look, it's got that picture of that power strip. So we're gonna give it a name. So instead of WP9, we could rename it to whatever we want. We could call it Power. Okay, so we got WP9 power strip. We're gonna hit save, and then you could add it to a room if you want. Right now, we'll add it to the kitchen. Then we'll hit done. Okay, so now it downloads the information for it, and it puts it on your phone, and there it is. There you go. So you can see this is really cool. It's got 3 separate outlets, and you can control them individually. So let's hit the power button, and that turns them all off. Hit the power button, it turns them all on. But you could also click each one individually. Whoops, let me do it over here. See, watch that red light. Red light means it's on. See how it does it instantly? This is over Wi-Fi. You would think there would be some sort of lag, but nope, it's literally instant. And then if we press the power over here, it turns it off over there. And you see how it works instantly both ways. Over here you can set schedules or a countdown timer, and over here you could go to settings, and it shows you the device information. It shows you what other smart home systems it works with, and you can turn on offline notification to again alert if this gets unplugged or if it gets disconnected from Wi-Fi. If you want a firmware update, you click on device update, and it checks for updates. You could click automatic updates if you want it to update automatically on its own whenever updates are available. And then you could add it to automations if you want. So you can have it right here, but you could also click on your smart, click plus, and you could create any sort of automation. So let's say you got a ceiling fan, not a ceiling fan, a room fan in here, and you want to turn on when it is a certain day or when the weather changes. So let's just do one with the weather change. So we're going to hit when weather changes. We could do it, if you want it every evening, we could hit at sunset, and you could do an offset if you want it, 10 minutes before sunset, starting to get dark. We want a light to turn on. So we're going to do run the device, click on the power strip, and then you see we got the switch 1, 2, 3. That's the 1, 2, and 3. And then we got the switch USB to turn on and off the USBs also if you got something in, plugged into that. So let's hit switch 1 and have it turn on, and we're gonna hit next. So this is an automation that, let's say, hit sunset and we want the switch 1 to turn on, and that's any condition is met. We could switch that to all conditions are met, and then hit another thing when weather changes, and we want the temperature to be over here above 80 degrees. Hit next. So this automation is going to be when it's 10 minutes before sunset and it's above 80 degrees, and then it should turn on that outlet. So basically this will automation start using it. Yep. Okay. And then it shows up in my list of automations here. And the idea behind that is, let's say you got a fan in there, you want it to turn on only at night when you're going to sleep, only if it's hot, or a light to turn on in the evening. There's so many automations you can do once it's connected to Wi-Fi. And don't forget, you got these 3 are all separately controlled, and the USBs are controlled one control for all 3 USBs. And it's a surge protector, so it works just like any it's a power strip, so it's great for plugging in multiple things, and it's got a grip over here so it doesn't slide on the table. So thanks for watching my introduction and demo of the Gosund Smart Power Strip.